welcome back to my channel once again. Well, in this video we will be unboxing, I'm really excited for that. We will be unboxing a brand new keyboard. It's a retro style keyboard from the company iGEAR. So without saying anything, without saying much about it, let's quickly do the cutting ceremony, though it's not a cake cutting, but let's see. And those who are coming to my channel for the very first time, requesting all of you to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let me see. All right, so let me give you how it looks like from outside. So you can see the packaging is so far so good. It's pretty hardy. Oh, wow. And here is my beauty toy coming out. Tan tan. So as you can see, it looks nice, brilliant, right? It looks so cool and dashing, you know. It's so sweet actually. So you can see the name. This is KeyBee. It's wireless keyboard and mouse, and it's basically a retro style kind of. And this is a name of the company. That's your iGEAR. And what else I can see? Wireless keyboard, wireless mouse. It looks so lovely. I'm gonna give you the actual view of it. And is there anything else that I would like to show you here? Yeah, here you can see the MRP showing 3,500. But if you're going through my link over there that I've given in the description, this will cost you near about 2,700. So it's a bit less than what is being printed here. And there are a couple of specifications, details are there. So whenever you are free, you can pause the video and you can go through them in details, right? So let's quickly jump into it. Let's see what we have here inside. So all right, so let's quickly open it up. I can't wait to see this from inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that, man. I don't know what to say. I'm at loss of words, man. Seriously. Oh, it looks so nice. So elegant. Let me see the sound. Oh, it's giving me the feeling of a typewriter. All right. Let's quickly see. What do we have here? Okay. So this is really looking nice. As you can see, I'm pretty sure it's visible. So, wow. This is just wow. This is just wow. Let's see what we have apart from this in the box. Oh, they have given this tiny little brush. Oh, I'll show you why they have given this tiny little brush. If you see, guys, there is a kind of gap in between these key and the base. Can you see that? Because that's how you get to see that retro typewriter style keyboard, right? So just in case, if you're too particular about clearing off all the dust, so you can use this tiny little beauty. So with the help of this, I can easily clean them off, and that will solve my purpose. Yeah. So not bad so far. I'm pretty impressed. So this is the mouse that I've got here. Okay, it's pretty handy. Oh, right. And this is also from the same company. As you can see, they have given the logo here, iGEAR. And if I open it up, oh, there's already one battery. So all I need is I need to take this battery off, and I need to take this plastic off it. Oops. So that I can do it. That was a receiver which fell down, you know. Yeah. So that's the receiver, as you can see here. All right. So I can see this after some time. Let me see what else I have in the packet. Is there anything else? Any documentation? Nothing. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. now what will I do is I will connect this with my laptop and I'll show you whether this is really working or not. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I have connected my wireless mouse. As you can see, it's blinking, so let's see whether it's smoothly working or not. Yes, it is. So now those who have come to my channel for the very first time, all they need to do is they need to go to YouTube, they need to check to my channel. I've given the link of my channel down below in the description. So all they need to do is they need to go and they need to click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon also, so that whenever I upload a video, you will immediately get a notification for that. Now the second part of the video, let's check with the keyboard. Alright guys, so this is the keyboard and let me show you. They have given 2 battery, I think these are all AAA, yeah, 2 AAA battery. These are seal packed. So all I need to do is I need to take this battery one by one and I need to remove the plastic covering and then I'll put it inside and I'll show you whether this is working or not. Alright guys, so I have connected my wireless keyboard and my mouse with the help of the same receiver. So you can see there is only one receiver over here. So I have opened a blank Word document and let me try if I can write something over there, right? Please subscribe to my channel. Wow. And then what I can do is, yeah, lovely. So that's all for the video. And yeah, those who have come to my channel for the very first time, requesting all of you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and try to share with this video with your near and dear ones. And please write down in the comment section below about your feedback, be it a positive or a negative feedback. But last but not the least, you stay negative at home, because negative is the positive, right? Bye bye. So far so good. Take care.